Navarro, to the PNP officers who are here today, PFP officers, rescue, and to all local municipal disaster officers, and most of all sa Pure Force, Sir Oliver, Sir Tito, Sir Ken, Sir Richard, Sir Kit, maogi hinungdan, mangunata diri karon. Thank you very much sa inyong tabang na namo, sir. Thank you for training us. I would like to inform you nga ang atong board member, atong mayor, o atong congressman, nagapadayon sila o suporta niini atong activity, dili lamang taman diri, kundi taman bali sa establish ngayon sa tagsa-tagsa ng mga municipalities. O I hope na you enjoyed your stay while you are here in Clarin. I hope na what you have learned in this training diri sa atong lungsod, pag-abot sa inyo inyong mapadayon to make our province a better place for all living beings. Thank you and good morning to all.